几天，红茶频繁给佳悦发来消息。
Welcome to Las Vegas Smart and Kung Fu Channel. This is Shifu JJ. I just got off of work. I watched some TV and stayed on the bed. Little relax as a long day. Stop the TV for a little bit. Oh god. Let's have this AirPod on and we have better audio. So do so but not gonna stop our Kung Fu training every day, daily. So doing straight days a week at least for this Kung Fu workout, that's gonna help you to have power on your abs, but also to get 6-pack soon. Alright, so Kung Fu is my life, training every day. I see you tomorrow for Kung Fu training. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Don't forget to share, comment, and like. Alright, time for sleep. Bye bye.